Hello everyone. We are in Ukraine. I'm Asya and I'm reacting to Eurovision songs in the alphabetical order of the countries. Today we are reacting to Bird of Prey by Ziferblat. But before we do so, please subscribe to the channel. It helps so much. And there is also a disclaimer to read. And now we're ready. Let's go. What is happening? Right after Switzerland, we have another beautiful fairy tale happening here. What? Are these the Latvian ladies charming us once again? What is happening? How beautiful. Whoa, this is giving me a sensation of a mix of a fairy tale because of the singing and the costumes and the melodies. It takes me a little bit to the psychedelic Blue Meanies Yellow Submarine movie and in general the psychedelic epoch of music. It has some rock, some progressive maybe rhythms. He reminds a bit of the Little Prince in his appearance and performance, and these voices, so clear, so beautiful, so pure. I love hearing this kind of singing. It does something very good and very healthy to my nerve system and I think to everyone actually. Beautiful.
Шукаю, гори зверну, and I call you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave.
What?
Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey.
No way. This is not an easy song. What are all these changing melodies? Who writes this kind of music? How do you have the talent to put all these sounds and notes together to create such a good song? This is so good. And also I think that the camera work and the lights and maybe the costumes, they are a little bit taking us to the 80s. Am I right? Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at the girl in the background, how she is there in her magic forest, enchanted land. What is going on here? Look at his outfit. What? Huh? And especially this change of music, it's something that I could imagine seeing in some expensive theatrical production for both kids and adults. Something like the Grimm Brothers Fairy turned into an insane massive production in Broadway. And I'm referring to this passage here. Da, da, da. Oh, so good. You know what? There are catchy songs that are good because they're catchy and you can repeat them instantly. And there are songs that are so complicated to a casual listener like myself that you need a million of listens before you can actually understand what's happening in the song and repeat some of it and sing Oh, it's so nice. It was kind of obvious and clear that every performer is singing about their painful points, their experiences, right? So it was kind of clear that the Ukrainian performer will be singing directly or indirectly about how many people miss their home and miss their normal lives. But the way they put it, this kind of production, this kind of music, I'm curious who wrote this song. Is it this band or is it some famous composer? I don't know many. I only know Okean Elzy, and I love this band. It's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, Ukrainian rock band who also writes very atmospheric songs that I actually have heard in one of the big theaters in Europe. In the middle of the play, they started playing the song of Okean Elzy, which is the other band I'm referring to. So I do know that Ukrainian, let's say, rock music can be very powerful. And this is very cool. I'm also often a little bit worried before I'm going to hear the song if there is a certain political situation happening that the song might be average and the entry will get the points solely and purely out of support to the cause of the country or the singer or whatever. And I'm so relieved when the singers, let's say, do not take advantage of the situation and still give their best performance.
Of me, my little bird.
This is a fairy tale. Oh, and I love all these instruments there that unfortunately won't be traveling with him to the stage in Switzerland because it is not allowed, from what I know, but still everything is just amazing.
Fly like a bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave.
Oh, la la la. Oh, so good.
My heart with someone who flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares.
Guys, I have a playlist for you with at least 4 songs in it. It's a playlist for when you are driving through the forest in a rainy day and you are not in a rush and you are metaphorically driving towards the better times. The songs would be this one from Ukraine, the one from Portugal, the Swiss song, and the Latvian. And You Are in a Fairy Tale. And nothing can scare you anymore because you have the magic.
Of me, my little bird of
Ah, I have cold goosebumps throughout my whole body. What is it? Oh, it's a Ukrainian flag there at the background, right? It's hinting towards it. Wow, 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 Ukraine. Thank you so much, Ukraine. Good luck. Let's move to the United Kingdom and see what they have prepared for us. I'll see you there.